Is your voice holding you back from achieving success in your job, in your career, maybe even in your relationships? We live in a fast-paced society. Everything happens in the snap second. People decide if they like you, they trust you, they believe you, and this all happens subconsciously without us even realizing it. Your voice could be annoying people or making people switch off when you're speaking. If this sounds familiar, then this workshop is for you. You'll discover what kind of voice type you have and if there are ways to improve your sound and the quality of your voice. You're going to learn to breathe to support the vocal function. Breathing is 50% of good vocal production, but most people are not breathing correctly when they're speaking. You'll find out that you have 3 voices that you can use to add vocal variety to your speech. You have a middle voice, a chest voice, and a head voice. But most people are only stuck in one of these voices. And you'll be able to eliminate that monotone. So come and join this workshop and discover a whole new way to communicate, influence, and impact those around you, and ultimately help you achieve success. I'm Lisa Hugo.